Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the top best cases for iPhone 12 Pro Max 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Apple's top phone right now is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, although there are still plenty of iPhone 12 Max variants on the market. That means there will be a lot of iPhone 12 Pro Max cases to choose from. If you're the proud owner of an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you'll undoubtedly want a cover designed exclusively for it. The camera array on Apple's latest phone is larger, despite the fact that the Max versions of the iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 are the same size. As a result, the best iPhone 12 Pro Max cover will provide the best fit for your phone. I have prepared this video guide for the best cases for iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let's get started. 3. Apple Leather Case. Leather cases last a long time, and Apple's leather case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max is unbeatable when it comes to getting a tight fit. It's nice to the touch and available in a variety of colors. It's stylish, smart, and doesn't add any extra bulk. The finely tanned and treated leather provides more protection than silicone, and real MagSafe compatibility ensures quick wireless charging and access to Apple's accessory ecosystem. Apple has created its own leather iPhone 12 Pro Max cover, which is comprised of soft-touch tanned and polished leather and fits the handset like a glove. Some of the third-party leather cases listed below put a greater emphasis on protection, with additional buffers and a broader lip between the case and the screen in the event of a drop. 2. Apple Silicone Case. The Apple Silicone case with MagSafe is a slim case that protects your iPhone 12 Pro Max from scratches and drops. It molds to the device's contours and allows for the addition of Apple's magnetically attached card holders and card mounts to the back. The major lure, of course, is quick MagSafe charging, and if you have one of Apple's new chargers, you'll get a more steady and secure charge. The silicone exterior has a silky, soft touch surface that feels amazing in your hand. There's also a silky microfiber lining on the inside for added protection. There's a lot to appreciate about this shoe, which features a slimline, lightweight construction, light shock absorption, and a glove-like fit. It also comes in a variety of colors. 1. Otterbox Symmetry Series Case. The Otterbox Symmetry series is a tried and true Otterbox design that has been around for a while. Every new iPhone, though, brings a new range in colors, and I'm really digging the designs for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. My Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max looks great with the rock candy blue case. Of course, every Symmetry case comes with the military-grade, drop-proof protection that we've come to expect from Otterbox, regardless of hue. I've put this to a lot of use, though not on purpose, and it's held up well no matter how hard I dropped it. In reality, the case appears like it just came out of the package after 2 months of heavy and clumsy use. So guys, this was the video about the best cases for iPhone 12 Pro Max. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.